but you can't see it enough. Just find it and take it, don't let regret it. Make me your only one. You choose it, don't lose it, don't let go.
Beautiful people, welcome. My name is Nokubongah and you officially tuned in to Life Ntmkhabela. To stay, you subscribe and become part of this family. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I install, style, and yet reviewing this new unit from Dragon City. I'm just going to go on and put this brown wig cap, which I also found from Dragon City. The reason why I love it is just if you're going to be using a wig that it's not customized, it will work. So then just use a wiper to wipe all the excess all around my forehead. Before anything, let's just get straight to talking about the wig. I purchased the wig at Dragon City store D43. It is a 4x4 grade 12A Brazilian lace wig. It doesn't come customized nor anything, but then if you want it customized, you will add I think an amount of 40 rand if I'm not mistaken. It does come with straps to fit you, but then the straps are not adjustable. It does have clean tracks, as you can see, and I did put a little bit of foundation on the lace. So now let's get to the wig installation. To install the wig, as usual, I went in with the Got2b freezing spray. I sprayed about 2 layers of the glue. I didn't really show that on camera because I was trying to make sure that this video is as short as possible, actually, for somebody who's still learning about wigs. So I sprayed 2 layers of the Got2b so it can last for about 2 to 3 days because I was trying to review or see the quality of the wig. I then went in with the mirror because gosh, I need a fan for this to make sure that it kind of dry out so it can be tacky before applying the wig. So when it was tacky, I just went in with the wig because I really find it easy to apply when the glue is kind of tacky. Like I find that it doesn't have, or it doesn't give these kind of white-ish things that much. So yeah, I found it easy that way. I then went in with a comb that is sprayed with a little bit of the Got2b glue, and just to fill the tracks which might have not been like covered or glued enough by the wig. So after that, I just went in with the hair wrap to just make sure that the wig is secured, it doesn't move, even though I've sprayed only the part where there was a lace. So now I just went in with a heat protector from Got2b because I'm not even really sure how good the hair can take heat. So like it was a must that I apply this. And then after that, I went in with a comb just to comb the hair a little bit, so to even test that it doesn't like have a lot of fallouts. Then this part was just the norm that is straightening the hair. So I just went in straightening the hair. I did fast forward this part because it was just a repetition of one thing all over again. So to give the hair a little bit of moisture, I went in with my favorite hairspray that is from Garnier because it moisturizes the hair. It gives it that moisturized finish. Not that it needed it because the hair was still shiny because it was my first time installing it, but then yeah, just to give it a little bit of that moisturized finish because I do not like dry hair. I then went in with the IKT wax stick just to make sure that the hair doesn't have like flyaways, yeah, all over the hair. Then after that, went in with a hot comb to flatten out the front part of the hair because I love my wig as flat as they can possibly be. I then went in with a mousse. It is from ORS. There is an olive oil mousse. I just went in, applied it with the comb, just to give the hair more definition of the flatness or the version of flatness I want, and to make sure that it doesn't have like flyaways or like I'm obsessed with weaves that do not have flowers. Then after that, I just went in with the very same mousse to do my edges, and yeah, this is just pretty self-explanatory. I don't know how I can explain doing edges because yeah, it's just doing edges. You just do them however you love them. So after that, I use the very same wrap to make sure that my edges are stuck on one place, they do not move. I guess I'm explaining it the right way. I then went in again with the mousse just to put it at least around the other hairs that might be like flying out on the rest of the wig. Then yeah, this is pretty much it with applying the wig. After then I just went in to just give final touches with the hot comb and kind of style the wig the way I want it styled. So this is just pretty much for the review kind of tutorial all mixed together. So this was just self-explanatory, me trying to style the wig how I feel it will be like suitable for my face. So yeah, this is with the wig. So to further give a little bit info about the wig, the wig does take heat quite very well. It doesn't shade, like it doesn't shade. It is quite a good quality wig, and yeah, all in all, D43 Dragon City does have like perfectly good hair. It does take well heat, which is something that I love. It doesn't shade that much. Okay, it didn't have much shading when applying. I don't know how it will as time goes by, but then it wasn't shading. It was good when applying. It is very soft. Yeah, I love the hair. Like I can definitely purchase more from them. So hope you did enjoy the video. See you on my next upload. Bye.